Hi, I'm Marvin. I want to talk about the Celcom Digi merger in Malaysia. Both companies actually merged in year 2022, 30th of November, in officially. So they are come from actually is the Celcom, which is the Axiata Group, and also the DG, which is the DG Telecommunication of the Senam Berhad. So both company actually join and merges become the one, which is one of the largest operator in Malaysia.
Hi, good day, ma'am. I'm Yoranihe, and I'll be talking about why DigiCelcom engaged in this activity. So, mergers are common strategies for companies seeking growth, efficiency, and competitive advantages. In Malaysia, one of the most significant M&A deals in recent years are merged between Celcom and Digi. So, the two of the country's largest telecommunication providers. Completed in November 2022, the merge formed Celcom Digi Berhad, creating a Malaysia's largest telecom operator by subscriber base. This Before the merge, Celcom owned by Axiata Group and Digi owned by majority owned by Norway's Telenor Group. So I will say reasons for the merge is that strengthening the market position. So the telecom industry in Malaysia is highly competitive with price wars and shrinking profit margins. By merging, Celcom and Digi became the largest mobile operator with over 20 million subscribers, surpassing Maxis. So this allowed them to leverage economics of scale and negotiate better deals with suppliers. So the second reason why they did such activity is that cost synergies and efficiency gains. So one of the primary motivators was cost reduction, and the company's projected RM 8 billion in savings over 5 years by eliminating duplicate infrastructure, for example, like shared cell towers, fiber networks like that. And they also did streamlining operations, as for example, like combining customer service, IT service, and marketing. And they also reduced the capital expenditure by optimizing 5G investments. So the third reasons I will say that accelerating 5G and digital transformation. The merge strengthened their ability to compete in 5G rollout, a critical growth area. Instead of competing against each other, the combined entity could pool resources for faster deployment for next generation networks. Additionally, they could expand the digital services like Fintel, LOT, and cloud solutions. As for the fourth reason, I'll say that financial and shareholders benefit. It may improve profitable due to cost savings and also revenue synergies. It also I would say stronger cash flow generation, making the company more attractive to investors, and also higher valuation potential as a market leader. So as for the fifth reason, I'll say that the regulatory and industry pressures. The Malaysian Communication and Multimedia Commission, MCMC, encourage industry consolidation to avoid the excessive competition. The merged helps them to stabilize pricing and ensure that sustainable growth in a saturated market. So I will say that the DG Celcom merge was a strategic response to industry challenges, enabling the combined entity to reduce costs, enhance competitiveness, and invest in future technologies, while integration risks remain and long-term benefits such as market leadership, financial efficiency, and innovation potential make this merge a transformative move in Malaysia's telecom sector. And this case study highlights how M&A can be a powerful tool for companies navigating technology disruption and market saturation. And the success of Celcom Digi will depend on effective execution of synergies and continued adaptation to industry trends. That's all from me. I'll pass it to the next representative.
Kavita, and today I'll be presenting about the merger between DG Telecommunications and Celcom Axiata, two major players in Malaysia's mobile telecommunications industry. We'll look at the type of merger, the reasons behind it, and the expected outcomes. First, let's identify the type of merger. This is a horizontal merger, meaning that it happened between two companies that operate in the same industry and at the same stage in the supply chain. Both Digi and Celcom are mobile network operators providing services like voice, data, and broadband to consumers. So, by definition, this is a horizontal merger focused on combining similar operation to gain market strength. The two companies involved are DG Telecommunications, a company owned by the Telenor Group based in Norway, and Celcom Axiata under Axiata Group Berhad, a Malaysian telecommunication group. These two firms have long been strong competitors in the local market. Now, let's take a look at the purpose of the merger. Why did they merge? Well, there were several strategic reasons. First, they did it to strengthen their market position against competitors like Maxis and U-Mobile, and to improve network coverage and quality by combining infrastructure. Third, to reduce operating costs and achieve economics of scale. And finally, to invest more effectively in 5G technology and digital services across Malaysia. This merger gives both companies a stronger foundation to compete and innovate. And then, as a result of the merger, the new company became Malaysia's largest mobile operator with over 20 million subscribers. And meanwhile, for consumers, this means better service quality, more competitive pricing, and faster access to new technologies like 5G. And from a national perspective, it also encourages more investment in Malaysia's digital infrastructure. This merger was officially completed on 30th November 2022 after receiving all necessary regulatory approvals. To sum up, the DigiCelcom merger is a clear example of the horizontal merger. It combines two strong companies to offer better services, reduce costs, and accelerate Malaysia's digital transformation. It's a move that benefits not only the companies involved, but also the consumers and the country as a whole. Thank you for listening.
Was the merger of the Celcom DG successful? I would say yes. So with the both company join merge together, so actually they have actually become the largest mobile operator in Malaysia with over 20 millions of subscribers, and also they have the potential increase the revenue with the database they have, which is the bring the very positive revenue to both of them. Other than this, actually after their announcement on the merger of the company, their share actually had increased domestically compared to the previous. So actually they bring a lot of the investor to their company as well. Other than this, also with the both company have been joined together, the cost of the strategy wise, and so there will be more saving. They will not have the typical cost. So both company actually will gain, we will say gain some profitable compared to the high cost there will be individual company. Other than this, also they actually can become the service improvement for them. They mean they got bigger resources and team to help them to resolve all the challenges they face rather than one company. They got enough resources and also the experience on the work company.